What's good, kings and queens? I'm about to introduce y'all to some Jell-O shots that's gonna have you like this.
Came so far, nothing like the other, nothing like.
Let's get straight to it. This is 2 cups of boiling hot water. Everclear is what I'm going to be using. So I'm just gonna mix my Jell-O in my 2 cups of hot water. And I'm gonna whisk it like so. Make sure you do not leave any powder at the bottom. Okay, so this is the one that I actually used. I'm showing you guys here. You're going to see me whisk it generously because you want everything to mix together properly, okay? That's very important. And so this that I'm showing you is cold Everclear. I had it in the freezer beforehand. That's 1 cup. Now this is 1 cup of cold water. I had it in the freezer as well. That is very, very important for it to solidify, you guys. I cannot stress how important it is that you do not go over those increments, and that is because Everclear is so high in potency of alcohol that if you go over or you go under that, it will not solidify for the Jell-O shots. And on gang, here I'm coming with the green. I'm going to tell you guys the same exact thing. This is my 2 cups of boiling hot water, and I'm going to whisk it like so. Like I said before, make sure you're actually whisking it properly so you get everything mixed together well. After that, that is my 1 cup of cold Everclear that came out the freezer and my 1 cup of cold water that came out the freezer. Once again, very, very important. As you will see, this is not piping hot, you guys. I allowed it to cool down just a tad so that it won't do anything to my syringe, but also not enough to let it solidify the Jell-O shot. So you're going to make sure you suction that by drawing it back, pulling it back, but make sure that you leave you an air bubble at the top. If not, your Jell-O shot will not come out when it's ready, you guys. So I'm going to show you that again. Make sure they are seated upright so there's no air bubbles and so they come out the syringe easily. Oh, the wrong one, but y'all get it. It's gonna have you like this.